Hey everybody, Gilbert Garcia here at Merced Chevrolet. I want to show you guys a little bit about our CPO program. We have certified pre-owned vehicles here available for you. They have a lot of benefits for the customers that are buying a pre-owned vehicle. These are semi-new vehicles available right now to come check them out, and we'll talk a little bit about the benefits. So check it out, guys. You do get some benefits here with the CPO program. These are all benefits that you get as a consumer. So you get the bumper-to-bumper limited warranty. That's a 12-month up to 12,000 miles. You got a Powertrain Limited Warranty as well, 6-year, 100,000. And you get the scheduled maintenance program that it's included with your purchase, and also every vehicle gets a vehicle inspection, obviously. And there's a lot of benefits. Come talk to us here at Merced Chevrolet. We'll let you know a little bit more about these benefits and features. These are our CPOs. These are vehicles that have the certified pre-owned benefit on it. Come check them out. We do have Buick, GMC, and Chevrolet available for you to pick from. Come see me here at Merced Chevrolet. Gilbert Garcia, the deal maker, ready to help you out. Come check it out.